Meaning of gun running.
Gunrunning.
Gun running.
Gunrunning.
Gun running. Gun running refers to the act of illegally transporting and selling firearms. This activity often involves trafficking across international borders, supplying weapons to criminal organizations or individuals for use in violent crimes. The consequences of gun running can be devastating, with an increase in firearm-related violence and homicides. It can also contribute to destabilizing regions, fueling civil conflict, and encouraging corruption and organized crime. Therefore, it is crucial to combat gun running through international cooperation, effective law enforcement, and regulation of the legal firearms trade to prevent illicit weapons from reaching the wrong hands.